all checked. You can't have the what?
Huh?
Why you can't have
The what?
the...
Is it alcoholic drink?
No, that's a real coffee.
Jaden, next time.
Yeah, bacon.
Break is supposed to be mainly for me.
So, right now, eat.
Ay, nako. Tigas ulo. You definitely need to share with me. No, I have 2 donuts. Just, do you want an extra chicken?
Describe your food.
My food is too much. So, giving it away to people. And
What is that?
chicken.
What is that? What is this?
This is chicken. These are donuts. There's bacon with the green whatever blueberry sugars. Cut brioche. See? And the syrup, very good. It's like toasted. Nice. Toast up brioche.
Smile for a shot.
I love it.